So this is Netflix. You turn around. It's Hi guys, so come with me to the Netflix Asia HQ in Singapore. I'm so excited to show you around because this is the prettiest corporate office I've ever seen. So we're heading to Netflix office now, and this is the transfer. Whoa!
Somebody has to say it.
Oh my god! And outside of the office, there's an actual, very nice. I don't know how to pronounce, but yeah, architectural buildings. It's corporate, but a lot of nature going on. Oh my god, look at the office. Y'all, it's crazy. Wow. It's not even kidding. Woo. Hi. So this is Team Malaysia. Hello. Hi. Introduce yourself. Okay, I'll just put hi.
Which level is it on? 14.
So the reason why we got so awkward because we don't know each other, because it's Netflix who flew all of the Southeast Asian creators and medias all the way to Singapore just to kickstart the Tudum event, where you get to see never before seen and behind the scenes of your favorite Netflix shows on their YouTube. So go and check them out. Get ready for some action.
Bonjour Tudum.
It's time.
Let me tell you what you're about to witness.
We will start from the 13th floor. Few months
Few
or
months,
so.
yeah.
It's actually, yes, every quarter. For Indonesia, you can see Alien Ratu-Ratu Queens is here. For Bangkok, for Thailand, I don't think.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's girls. Let's go downstairs first.
Yeah, I went back and wow, so apparently they have different chilling room. Wow, look at the view. It's quite small, but yeah, it's still better than nothing. Wow. So they name it Kaya. Oh, look at that. They're chilling. So Kaya, and then Te, and then Kopi. So it's just like a mix of cultural different names. Riverdale.
Alright, so these are all our favorite shows. Riverdale, Stranger Things, obviously.
It's like
Wow.
so cool.
Whoa.
It's only Karen, but Karen is very cool.
Oh guys, it's not even kidding. They have a camera for the Google Meet. I'm guessing that this is the video call room. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Ooh. This is the corporate life.
I think one of them forgot the bag.
Wow. This is the cinema room.
Discussion, anything, any chat.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, true.
When you put so many creators in a room, you get different cameras on. Everyone's doing vlogs and shit. Oh my god, it's chaotic. So they said this is customized for Netflix. I don't see. Oh, because it's N, but it's Nespresso. They're just trying to be exclusive. Yeah, they're trying to be exclusive. Okay. Ooh, that. Oh my god, the snack spins, y'all. Yeah. Hold on. Wow. Yes, man. So I know we just discovered that this postcard is free. I'm gonna send it to. Yeah, get the free stuff, y'all.
Is there anything cool in there?
There's like, and they provided lunch. Guess what? Wow. Yes. Okay, fried rice. Okay, so let me introduce. Oh my god, who? Okay. Angel from Philippines is asking what is this? So this is a charcoal dumpling. Oh wait, salted egg. Yeah, it's salted egg, charcoal salted egg. So you know, like the egg is gonna spill it out when you press it out. Yes, get that, girl. You have to try this. Yeah, man, you have to try this. Cool. This kueh. It's good. It's like the sticky glutinous rice. Ooh, what is this?
Which one's the...
This one. You have to try this and this. Yes.
I love it.
Ben and Jerry's, yes. I just got mine. Ben and Jerry's ice cream, yes. And they're so thoughtful. They actually give a stool for you just in case you're short. Yeah, so got all this. Oh my god, I got dips some more. Like chips and stuff. Oh, and the best part, you can actually pull this out. Oh, can you? Oh, wow. You're nuts, man. All these nuts. I'm gonna get this. Okay, so it's true. They actually have a Netflix coffee customized. Nectarine, cranberry, dark chocolate. Okay, let's join. All gender accessible restroom. Yes, we stand Netflix for that. Okay, let's go to the toilet. Okay. It's giving clinical toilet. Oh wow. Do you have this thing? Wow. So you've got like bad breath. Get this. What? So I'm at the Netflix office toilet and they got a big ass mouthwash. Why not? Okay. Oh, I feel like I'm in Starbucks, like the maple syrup and shit. You want 2 pumps of caramel syrup? Yeah. Subtle. Then you. Dental floss, yes. Oh, disgusting. I had prawns just now, so. They even have body lotion. So we just finished the office tour. We're going back to the hotel, get some rest, and we'll head to another event at night. Look at the free pistachio I got. My god, guys, if only you could smell through the camera. The whole office smells really nice, like expensive office, the kind.
Waiting for us.
Wow, look at the car. Yes, this is Team Malaysia. Ta-da! So I just came back from the Netflix outfit, and guess what I saw on my bed? Okay, the room service has been done, but what is this Squid Game thing? Hold up. Dear player, it begins today. Meet us at the lobby at 4:30. Don't be late. I didn't sign up for this though, bitch.